Salam, salam. This is Unity. This is a Unity money, but it's also a Queen's order. Okay, this order is going to Torrance, California. Okay, the first pair is called Melanin Sun Earrings. Y'all see how fly these is? She's so cute. She's so cute. So these are Melanin Fly Earrings. This is the back. So pretty. Yep, this is her. The next pair is called Beautiful Soul Earrings. So I did a live on my Instagram and I showed the process of creating these. They came out beautiful, right? And this is, and they got all the little chakras. So it's called Beautiful Soul. So these pairs are on boabw.com, which means Beauty of a Black Woman or Beauty of All Black Women. Support. These is over 400 designs, almost over 400 designs on the boabw.com. Also check out knoirdesigns.com where I have stencils if you want to learn how to draw. I also have videos if you want to learn how to freehand draw certain images. And I have one-of-a-kind pairs over there. So go there, boabw.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a beautiful comment. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.